So what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk through a very fast setup. Once you open up your GSA SER, I'm assuming, I hope that you have also fired up your Capture Breaker. So I've turned on Capture Breaker. As you can see here, we have Capture Breaker on. Once you get Capture Breaker up, what you're going to do is you're going to click on your options. You want to click this button here, run as a web server. Of course, there are other things that you'll need to do, all right, previously, like update all of the captchas. But once you've updated everything, what you want to do is run as a web server. This is how you'll get everything to actually work. You will go ahead and run in the custom port, turn this on, turn this on. This will start answering captchas for you. Make sure everything is checked, all right? Again, this will be a fast walkthrough. Now, what I've gone ahead and did is I'm only going to go for the most effective link types inside of GSA. And in my opinion, and from testing, we have realized that the articles, the comments, the image comments, all right, the bookmarks, the networks are good too, but I'm not utilizing them. The URL shorteners, some of them are good, some of them aren't. I don't feel like weaving through it, so I'm just going to go ahead and add those. And of course, the Web 2.0s. Now, the wikis and the videos also have merit, but for this particular walkthrough, I'm not going to be utilizing them. All right. Now, what we're going to do right here, first and foremost, is we are going to add in the data. All right. So we've started a new project, just so you know. So inside of GSA, we have clicked on the new button. When you click on the new button, this window will pop up. And now we have selected from this left-hand side here which types of links we want to create. Now that we've selected the types of links that we want to create, what I want to do is I want to build out a tier to my tier 1. So I want to build a tier 2. So what I did is I went out and I created a list. How I created the list is I went into Ahrefs. You can use SEMrush, you can use Majestic, you can use whatever you want. I went to the specific page that has backlinks pointing to it already. I downloaded the backlink list. Once I had the backlink list, I put it into a list, okay, as you can see here. I grabbed that list, and the next step was I went over to the very top here under the project settings. Inside of here, I clicked on edit, okay? Once I went to edit, what I wanted to do is I wanted to add URLs, all right? So once you add your URLs, the whole list will be inside of here. Every single one is now added, all right? That's my whole tier 1. Now, the next step that I want to go ahead and do, oh, we can go ahead and just put those, use a random URL from the above on every submission. So every single time, it's going to utilize a different URL. So it's going to use a different tier 1 link. I'm building links to my tier 1 links, okay? So what we're going to do next is we're going to start filling out the data as fast as possible. We want to get this thing up and running, right? So the primary keyword, house, I'm going broad, all right? So it could be house, it could be home. You could put whatever's relevant to you. For me, it's house, all right? The next step, anchor text, house, all right? It actually should be home. Well, we could do, how about house, comma, home? How about both of them, right? The next thing is we are going to use the domain as anchor text, all right? 100% of the time. Domain as anchor text 100% of the time. Now, under the comments, what we are going to do, so what the tool will do is as it is creating backlinks for us, when it's submitting comments, making the websites, doing comments, doing image comments, anything that you have selected, what you want to do is you want to type in this string right here. Now, what I can do here is I think, unfortunately, I can't zoom in, but it's an href equals, all right? Now, it's in quotes. It's do a quote, percentage sign, URL, percentage sign, end quote, Pac-Man this way, and then the anchor text. I hope that you can see this. Here's what I'll do for you. I'll throw it up on the screen just so you have it, because previously, before I started this video, I couldn't remember what the formatting was. All right, it was these percentage signs here. I couldn't remember this off the top of my head, but there you go. Now this is what we're going to add to each one of the articles, image comments, and regular comments as well. All right, so this way, as it is building links, I don't have to worry about it. It'll interchange them as we go, and it'll build naked anchor text to the links for me. All right, so that's what we're going to do. It might yell at me. It might want some text, but we'll find out as we go. That's what's great about GSA. It'll tell you if you're doing something wrong. All right. So what we did here is we did domain as anchor text 100%, image comment, as you can see here, that exact string that I just shared with you. Website title, sell house fast, house. We have, again, I put that string in as the description. Login and password, it will randomize these, as you can see here. About yourself, what I went ahead and did is I just let it go. What I'm going to do, though, is up here at the top, about myself, what I will do is I am going to add in that link type, all right? Profile image, so general profile.png, all right? So I'm sure you've already loaded one in. Twitter URL, so let me just see, why is it asking me for Twitter? Oh, because I have social bookmark. All right, so we can shut that off. All right. Form nickname randomized, so address. That's perfectly fine. Signature, what I've added is this href, so we want this to be the signature. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add that in as the signature is a link. Okay. Randomize on forum nickname and forum password. The address, it's going to grab the data that we already have. Okay. You could preset that up, or you could just not fill it out at all. It's completely up to you. All right. But as we come through here, it's going to go ahead and grab information that we already had preset. Image subject, what I'm going to do is nice, great, good image. Very, very simple. Small syntax, just keeping it as simple as possible. Contact name is going to be all right, we're going to click OK. It might yell at me. Please define some articles first. See how it does that? It needs an article. Now, what we're going to do here is we're going to come down inside of here. Just a random location, top anchor text. All right, so what we're going to do here is use first, random word, no link, no change, sentence at the bottom. What I want to do is just a link at a use first present link. Boom. All right, insert up to. All right, so what I want to do here is I want to insert up to 20 links. Verified from projects, no thank you. Insert up to random authority URLs, no. All right, insert up to images in the article, no images. I'm good on the images, but I do want to submit as many links as I possibly can. Insert HTML, nope. Do not submit same article more than one time per account. That's perfectly fine. Now what we want to do here is, now that we've filled this out, we're including extra links, because again, this is for a tiered link building campaign. All right, I'm building links to my tier. I just want to do this as fast as I can. So what we're going to do is use first present link, top anchor text, no thank you. This is perfectly fine. So what we want to do here, just link in a random location. All right, so what we want to do is we want to add, or I'm sorry, and enter manually. The summary is going to be, all right, so we're going to do this URL. Now, just in case, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go back to my little link list, just in case. I'm going to come back into here, and I'm just going to add these links inside of here. All right, there should be 97 of them total. That is the objective here. All right, it looks like there's a lot of wasted space here. La ra pa pa pa. And there we are. There we go. All right. So that is looking great. Okay, what we're going to do is name this. All right, generate a tile, spin configuration, preview. Minimal. Please wait, scraping images, video links, that's fine. All right, so it is adding these in. It's utilizing the anchor text. It looks like it's added a boatload of them. Darn it, I'm going to have to add that myself, and I hate to have to do that. All right. It's not going to take it. So here's what we're going to do. What we have to do is this. We're going to go copy and insert up to. All right, we got to get rid of these. Okay. And what we're going to do is we're going to add a bunch of these, and this right here is we're going to click OK. And then this right here is we're going to actually put 90. So that way we know that it's going to be stuffing as many of those in as possible. We don't want to include anything else. Insert HTML variations. No, thank you. Mix articles to a new one. I'm good on that. And okay. Perfection. Now, that is going to be a very, very fast setup. All right. So that's going to conclude a very quick and brief setup so we can start building links to our links. All right. So that's going to wrap it up for this particular video. And I look forward to seeing you in the next one. All right. So now what we're going to do is I'm going to break